the LG the 20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Coolpad stream for Boost Mobile. So this is a mobile hotspot device for Boost Mobile, and you can compare this with Boost Mobile's $50 35 gigabyte hotspot data plan. So the Coolpad stream is available now for $49.99, so fairly cheap and whatnot. So yeah, this is the device itself. You guys have your power button on the bottom here. You guys have your signal, Wi-Fi connection, messages. If you guys have any messages or stuff like that over there, you got your data signal and your battery right there when you find the stream there. This is the top of the display here. This is on the top of the hotspot device here. It's available in like this silverish color, very nice looking hotspot device, pretty nice. Then on the back you guys have Coolpad, and yeah. On the left side of the device you guys have nothing. It don't look like you have nothing. Your charging port is on the right side of the device there. There's the other side of the device, you have nothing. And on this side you have a place to take off the battery, I believe, so the battery is removable, I think it is, so pretty nice. So it says here, work, study, and connect anytime with the Coolpad stream. The powerful technology provides seamless high-speed Wi-Fi access on the go. Enjoy high-speed 4G LTE and expanded range LTE 600 MHz network support for up to 15 devices. Manage them through a simple and easy-to-use web interface. It is the ultimate hotspot device for those who want reliable Wi-Fi access in a sleek, lightweight, and portable design. Also keep other devices charged with the built-in reverse charging capability. So that is nice, you can charge other devices as well with this thing. So it's kind of like a little power bank, I guess. That's pretty cool. Order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan and activate online. So it's only got one plan, which is $50 a month for 35 gigabytes of hotspot data. Powerful connection on the go. Stay connected whether you are studying, working, or playing. Enjoy your own personal Wi-Fi with 4G LTE and 600 MHz expanded range LTE network with double the bandwidth by Boost Mobile. Slim and sleek, small and easy to carry in your purse, briefcase, or backpack, or slip it into your pocket. As small as a credit card, measuring 4.53 inches height, 2.7 inches width, and 0.54 inches depth. There's the dimensions. So it's 4.53 inches height, 2.7 inches width, and 0.54 inches depth, with a elaborate premium finish. It is perfect to take with you everywhere you go. Easy setup and management. Quickly view your usage with an intuitive panel and LED indicators that make it easier than ever to understand key stats like battery life, data consumption, and more. Always connected. Stay connected all day with the Coolpad stream with a 4,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 500 hours on standby or 15 hours of use. You can charge other devices with the reversible charging feature. Connect to 15 devices at the same time and save your connection with family and friends. Stream smarter. Monitor your data usage through the simple web UI. Specs from the hotspot device. You guys get a 4,000 mAh battery, up to 15 hours of usage time. The battery is not removable. I thought it was removable, but it's not. So I guess that's the, also the back does come off. I guess you put your SIM card in it, I guess. I don't know if the battery is not removable, guys. I thought it was, but it's not. You get 256 megabytes of ROM and 256 megabytes of RAM, so it is what it is, guys. This is a hotspot device, so you get a Qualcomm MDM9250 processor, poly octa-core, and you get a Linux 3.18 operating system there. You get a 5 LED light bar, which is that right here, to show you guys your signal, Wi-Fi, messages, data connection, battery, and whatnot. Your dimensions, like I said, 4.53 inches height, 2.7 inches width, and 0.54 inches depth. The Coolpad string weighs 3.88 ounces, so pretty lightweight. You have USB 2.0 Type-C, so you get Type-C charging, which is you get LTE, of course, no 5G. You get 8 to 11 ABGN AC for Wi-Fi, IP52 rating. You get reverse charging as well. So yeah. Pretty nice looking device there. What's included in the box is a Coolpad stream hotspot device charger, USB Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, and that is it. If you guys need help learning how to use the Coolpad stream, Reversible has created with that. It says, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing every game and notifications. So, device support is there, so it should have the Coolpad stream on the device support page. So, yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a hotspot device for Reversible, Reversible has you covered with that with the Coolpad stream. It's available now for $49.99. You can pair it to Reversible's $50 35 gigabyte hotspot data plan. Once you get over 35 gigs, your hotspot data is cut off, and unless you start reset the plan over or buy a data pack, which I don't recommend you guys do, because the data packs are just not fucking worth it, and they're a waste of time. So, Reversible has brought back mobile hotspot plans. They got one $50 a month for 35 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. There is no 5G hotspot at this time, so if you guys are looking to get a hotspot device, you guys can check out the Coolpad stream. It does look very nice as well. Very nice looking hotspot device here. So, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.